Welcome to Some News.
Today is November 13th, 1985. We will now hear of a story from Colombia. The Nevado del Ruiz volcano has erupted and is destroying the town of Armero. Here is Joseph Stone on the scene.
It's hot here. I'm standing 1,000 feet away from the active volcano and things are going extremely insane. The town as we know it is completely destroyed. Houses are being leveled. The people are dying. Roughly 25,000 people to be exact. It doesn't take a genius to realize, to understand that the population is dwindling significantly.
Wow, Joey, this is truly tragic.
No shit, Drew. This happened because pressure's been building up inside a volcano for years.
Hey, get out of here! Get out of here!
And the pressure was so great that the volcano finally erupted.
Did this do anything to the environment? Are there any long-term effects?
This will do quite a bit of environmental damage. The Lahar will completely coat the land and the wildlife. Some long-term effects include that it will take years for both the wildlife and the land to come back to its normal state. The remaining people here in the Alamo, Amero, will be relocated to... Hold on, Drew. I'm being told that we have footage of the people in Armero. What you are about to see will be graphic. Here's what the volcano looks like currently. You can see the smoke just billowing over all of Armero. It is just tragic. It is a crying shame. Oh my god. Oh my god.
For those of you who don't know, a lahar is a type of mud flow or debris flow composed of slurry pyroclastic material, rocky debris, and water. The materials usually flow from a volcano, typically along a river valley.
Oh god!
Thanks for that, Joey. We hope that you get home safely. Thanks for watching. See ya.